What's the one thing that's holding you back from ditching those pricey supplements for good? For many of us, it's the fear that we'll be giving up some secret ingredient that's been helping us feel our best. But here's the thing, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful, and that's exactly what the gelatin trick is all about. By incorporating this easy daily ritual into your routine, you can start to wake up without that sluggish feeling and take on your day with more energy. My friend recently made the switch from expensive supplements to the gelatin trick, and the difference it's made is amazing. She's saving money, reducing clutter in her kitchen, and actually noticing improvements in her overall health. The gelatin trick is all about using basic ingredients you likely already have on hand to support your body's natural functions. As you start to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you might find that you're dropping that heavy feeling and moving through your day with more ease. To learn more about how to get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description below for a detailed rundown. And if you have any questions, be sure to take a look at the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and resources to help you get the most out of this simple yet powerful technique. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you can start to experience the benefits for yourself and make a real difference in how you feel every day.